What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Jern. What a day. What a freaking day. Took 4 trades. Took too many trades, but they're all somewhat relevant. I probably should only stuck with those 3 trades. Let's see. We go on the 1 hour. I took my first trade. Seen this huge gap, so I wanted a little piece of it. Got in right here, got out. I didn't like the selling pressure, and I sold. Boom. Right here, I thought we might get a retracement, then go back up, break all-time highs, but we didn't. We ended up coming down here, and I think this is what pissed me off the most. Oh my gosh. So I was still in my bias for going long, but as you can see right here, when I went long, I didn't peep this 15-minute breaker structure. See, you got the higher high, or you got this, and then you got the swing high and then the swing low, and it broke below that. And I tried going long, hit this order block, boom, got in, went down. All right, I was pretty hot about that. Then I see another fuck out of here. See another breaker structure. Okay, boom. I see that. I got in about right here. Boom, got in. I see this. Oh my gosh. And then it went up, hit the order block. I was like, oh shoot, it could reverse. Because I thought we were just sweeping out liquidity, and I seen it was kind of, it was on this order block right here. So I was just like, oh shoot, I gotta get out. Right? I thought it might just go boom, boom. Right? Comes up here, flips it, boom. We go higher. Because I was in a call bias. I thought we were gonna break all-time highs. So I got out. Originally I was supposed to get out right here, but I ended up getting out right there. So we come down. I see this, boom. I actually got in right here. I thought we might break all-time highs. It was just a major liquidity sweep, but no, it wasn't. And eventually got over here. I thought it might just whoop, the algo pump, but no, we dumped. So I got out right here, closed red for the day. I should have closed flat off this trade. Or I should have made like a couple bucks off this, but I didn't. I was pretty hot about that. But, you know, it's not like I'm taking stupid ass trades. So it is what it is. You could tell, I'm taking better trades than I was on this day. Like this, I guess you can say this wasn't really my trade, but I figured, you know, we're sitting on this trend line, right? But nope, we rejected, came down here. Now it looks like we could be headed down here or lower. I think we could possibly test 573 on Monday before the big tech earnings. We can fill this imbalance, and I seen something that people if you've been following the stock market, there was a market crash on October 28th in 1928. And so it kind of just led me to this thing where I was like, okay, I don't want to hold these. Either way, it doesn't look good. And I thought for surely it might retrace back up here and we hit all-time highs. Right? But we didn't. So, I mean, we're barely holding on this trend line, and we could possibly be in for a bit of a crash, which is a bit scary. But we'll just have to see how the tech stocks do, how Nvidia does. Because honestly, Nvidia broke structure, Tesla's bullish, Apple's bullish. There's just so much good stock news out right now that if this crashes, it's gonna be for liquidity, because all these stocks look too good right now, and I think if we do crash, it will be just liquidity. So I would say hold your shares. Just be careful. I think we could see lows down to here. So I would be scalping calls right now. I would wait for calls till 573. And yeah. But yeah. I think we're very bearish right now because we couldn't break out right here. I thought maybe, it holds on this trend and we go higher. But we didn't. It sold off pretty bad. But it is what it is. I mean, this would have saved my day if I would have just held. But, of course, I didn't. So, it is what it is. We have liquidity down here. And, yeah. I think what I need to start doing is, I think puts is where my strength is at. I'm not very good at going long, because when puts happen, that's what I'm banking. Like right here, boom, bang. But yeah. Yeah, just pretty much, I think I'm bearish on Monday. We possibly could be seeing 573, which is what I'm going to be shooting for. But yeah, I think we're going to see 573 on Monday before earnings. And then I think that's where you'll see some real bullish action, unless we break below right here, which would indicate a bearish trend or a correction or a crash, depending on how the tech does, because the tech is what's keeping this up. So if I want to go long, I'm going to come right here, so therefore I'm going to be bullish. Hopefully this thing kind of stays at around this area. Hopefully it stays like around here, because I want to get as much profit as I can. So we're going to try and get the highest price, and we're going to be shooting for those. Or we could be shooting for those lows. But that's going to be my trade on Monday. But yeah, should have ended up flat today, but came out with the $30 profit loss. Sold too early. Made a bad trade. Well, it wasn't a bad trade, but if we would have kept going, but no. I went short right here. See, like I said, I seen the 15-minute breaker structure. Boom. But then they hit the order block, and then I was just like, yeah, I'm getting out. So, I mean, it happens. I think what I needed to do, I held this longer than I should have held this one, so I got more scared of this one than this one. So, in reality, I gotta let my trade play out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on Monday. There is progress, but just working on it. Gotta stay confident in my trades, but if you guys are looking for a bias, I would go short. They're gonna drop. They're gonna drop the market before earnings, because that's how they're gonna liquidate. And yeah, we're not gonna get a pump until after earnings. So if I were you guys, get in around here for your longs, your swings, and yeah. But my shorts, we want price down here. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys on Monday.